hauling ass.
I know.
Is that me?
What the fuck? It's like I'm
That's like 50.
racing.
I'm looking at my mirror to see him go sideways and flip over a bunch of times. I'm glad I passed him on the straight, not around that this turn or the blind hill. He's probably on the other side.
But it's like freaking shit. Stop. Oh, look at this is victory. So we're victory's ours. I wonder. No, we're not close to it, are we?
No.
So maybe we should pull over here.
Pull over here. We want to do it here? I don't care.
Well, no, there was a parking area
Oh,
back there.
you want to turn around and park there?
Yeah.
Alright. Maybe back over. How was this a military road? Or is it grown in? It must have grown in a lot.
Well, what I was reading it was it used to be very impassable at times.
Yeah, but I mean, the military usually doesn't do anything small.
Maybe all they had was like Jeeps. Military Jeeps that came up here.
You're not kidding.
They still had to construct it. Yeah.
Maybe they had it all flown in. All the construction material. I don't know. I'm just fucking saying.
Imagine we go this way.
Yeah, I think this is the way we went. If I'm not mistaken.
Whoa.
That was the best line, Ash.
What, low?
No, I said that was the best line through that.
I'm just watching from ahead.
Oh. Charlie, that wasn't a hill. That was a dip.
That was Sean screeching, not Charlie.
Oh. Then that was a hill.
So this is where we were the last time, wasn't it?
Yeah,
right
we
there.
did.
Oh.
Okay. So we never got beyond this point.
Pothole!
Aren't you glad that the windows are up? Those are up.
That was deep, Ash. That was really deep.
Straight or turn? What way?
That was straight.
Oh yeah, sorry. Woohoo!
Banana?
That's snow.
It's
No, it's a rock.
rock slide. Maybe it was turd, Mac.
Yeah, I don't know.
Cause
I don't think you want to go down there, Mike.
Oh, who said so?
Charlie, go down this or not?
I'm so old on the floor, Charlie, stop pushing on my bladder, kid.
I don't have a camera in my car, so when I back up, I have to use my mirrors. The trucks that I used to
back of this.
Oh no!
the trucks that I used to drive didn't have mirror cameras in them.
Haha, he doesn't know what's down there. He's going down there.
And Ash, you and I know we can get up there. Cause that video I sent you.
Yeah.
Because there was a couple people up there, and that video came out literally last week. He just did that, like probably the week before.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, Mac. Ironically, like we came up here not too long ago,
Yeah.
and then this YouTuber that I'm subscribed to, he flies a paramotor, has a giant fan on your back,
Yeah.
and he just randomly comes up to the radar base.
Huh.
I'm wondering if he saw like my video.
Yeah. 'Cause Ashley did show me a little bit of. I didn't see the whole video because I think I was driving when she was watching it.
Oh yeah.
But she did show a little. I saw a little bit of it.
Free windshield washer fluid. Someone else want to drive while I fly the drone? Oh, dude. Yeah.
Mac can drive a standard. But I don't know if these people are going to come up behind us.
I don't know if you'd want to do this in that car, Ash.
I know.
Definitely wouldn't want to do this in your car. And that'd probably have the same ground clearance. I might have attempted it with a Focus. Maybe.
I don't think I would have attempted this with a Focus.
Well, I mean, the only reason that rock thing happened. Oh, jeez.
I know, that was your neck. Where's the seatbelt off?
What was that?
Seatbelt warning.
Oh.
It just come on.
No, I took the seatbelt off. I choked her.
Oh. I mean, I'm still in two-wheel drive. I haven't had any tire slippage. That's her name. Don't wear it out. It's a culvert.
Don't worry, just run it over.
Oh.
Are we gonna get out?
I was not expecting that. I'm glad I slowed down.
This is nowhere.
Where the hell did you get up there?
Just go that way.
No, we're not going that way.
Just go up there, Sean. There's trees.
How the hell?
Well, let's go back to the place we were at, I guess. What the heck? I don't think we can go all the way up. It must have, maybe that people were hiking.
Actually, there's vehicles up there.
There was?
Yeah.
There's got to be.
Caution.
Oh,
Hold
be
on tight
careful
to
of
the
those,
child.
yeah. I know, this is what this is meant for, this truck.
Sean, stop. We're not stuck.
I've got a lot of buttons, Sean. I thought that'd be the better side to go.
We're doing this. We're gonna bump heads.
Everybody hold on tight, that's all.
Okay, let's go.
Mike's gonna go slow. You don't want to ruin his truck either. There you go.
Oh, I think
I think you're probably gonna have to go a little faster than me.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
There we go. There you go. There you go. Oh, okay. These checks around there for safety.
Who needs to check?
Don't come this way, Subi.
Subi,
yeah.
Oh god, there goes gravity. My body.
There goes what?
My body gravity, like a roller coaster, going to just drop.
Charlie, if you cling your head close to mine like that, we're gonna end up bumping heads.
You're gonna get a concussion, Charlie.
It's okay,
You're
Charlie.
hanging.
We're not doing anything. Uncle Mike's not gonna let anything happen.
No.
Uncle Mike's got it all under control.
You were full of that still?
No.
No, it's just in
Well,
the
that was your
second
damn
gear.
music.
No, that was first.
Oh, first gear.
Well, unless you count crawl, then
Right.
yeah. No, it's just second. I did second all the way there.
Yeah, I know you
I was
did.
in second.
I saw you.
Maybe we go down that other section, Ash.
Yeah, maybe.
What other section?
You know,
Remember where I backed up?
Get
Yeah.
out and look before we go down.
Yeah, I don't.
Make sure
Yeah.
we can get back up in it.
Oh, I can get back up it.
Let's go do some looking.
Let's go back to the car.
Let's go where?
Charlie goes, okay, let's go back to the car.
We're in a car.
No, Charlie.
We've been in this one car the whole time, Charlie. Mama's car's back in Gorham at the Airbnb. We've been in this one the whole day.
Yeah, we have. What kind of Twilight Zone thing are you in? Oh, that was the
I wish they put a separate.
Careful.
Fucking Christ. I almost threw Charlie at you guys.
Well, I slowed down as gently as I could.
Well, you're saying your neck was hurting.
size of that puddle, Mac. Back where we were before. Okay.
Is that even like a road?
It's yeah, I wonder where that tank came from.
Yeah, I know, right?
What? We're just kidding, guys.
An alien?
Yeah.
The alien pooped it out.
Yeah, I wonder where that tank came from.
Yeah, I know, right?
What?
We're just kidding, guys.
An alien?
Yeah.
The alien pooped it out.
You can't believe half the stuff one says.
Up here.
It did. Oh, that's.
Holy shit! How do you make
They
it up
broke
here?
down!
Oh no, I hope they're okay.
I'm surprised we're already up here.
Well, we went down a couple on the road.
No, but no, I'm surprised we're already up here.
Oh. What do you mean?
Already up here.
Well, we went down a couple on the road.
No, but no, I'm surprised we're already up here.
Oh.
Memory card out like you wanted?
No.
Remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I call for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to crashing out, yeah. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out?